3, 2, 1. Dig with YouTube, Kunza Tautu. It's been a while since I've made any kind of a talking vlog, so we'll just catch up. I finished Mockingjay, very good book. Can't wait for the Hunger Games to come out, which is next Thursday is the Irish release. They've released it in the US and the UK. Apparently in the UK they don't let you take your mobile phones into the premieres. Makes sense. Or at least Katie Price didn't think so anyway. She threw a hissy fit and decided she'd leave. But, you know, it makes sense not to take your phone in, so I can't wait for it. I'm going to go and see it with a few of my friends, so it should be good fun. What else has been happening? I started reading my friend's autobiography. It's all about her weight loss and how she managed to turn her life around. And like, I'm only a couple of chapters in, and already it's just kind of really inspiring. You know, if you read it, you kind of have no excuse afterwards to sit on your arse doing nothing. So that's why I'm sitting on my arse talking to you. But so that's that. What else have I been doing? I did run amok. Oh yeah, we talked about that. I kind of half didn't think about this video. A couple of things coming up. I'm still fundraising for the Shaver Die campaign. Lovely. Going well. I was out last night with some friends. My friend's 22nd. It's a good night, I have to say, once I found the pub. But, you know, it's great. The look of surprise on his face is nearly in shock. His girlfriend organised it, and he hadn't a clue. But even his parents knew about it, and yeah, nothing. So it's nice when things like that work out. Yeah, so I'm thinking of doing an ab sale in the Aviva for, I can't remember who it's for again. There's so many of these things happening now. It's for Concern, the charity. So that should be good. I've always wanted to do it. For the last 2 years, like, it's been shit. Can't do it, can't afford to do it, haven't been able to do it, didn't have time. So now I do. So that's going to be my next campaign. So keep an eye out for it. What else? Oh yes. April is the next month, and I'm going to try and do a series of sort of challenge videos. The theme is going to be April Madness. You know, start out with April Fool's Day and carry it on. So if you've got any ideas for pranks or challenges or anything like that, be sure and leave comments below, or you can private message me. I'll put links to Twitter and Facebook and all that jazz down below. A couple of ideas I had. I'm going to try and do a month's compilation of parkour training. So that's going to be one. That's probably going to be towards the end of the month. Might try and get out and do some rock climbing. Can't do it today because it's pissing rain. But what else? I'm doing. Oh, what's it called? The Samsung Night Run. It's 5k running to the city centre at night, and apparently there's like 1,000 people doing it at the moment. So it should be good fun. I've got all these little bits of challenges and things like that to do that I'm just trying to get myself organised to do. But I don't know, it should be good fun anyway. Big shout out to everyone who's been following me, all you subscribers out there. All 6 of you, but I know there's more people watching me. So hello to you all. The best of Irish greetings. Oh, yes, Patrick's Day tomorrow. Don't think I'm going to go into town. Might go out tomorrow night, maybe, we'll see. And I'm kayaking on Sunday in Howth, so that should be good fun too. Still waiting on my bike to get fixed. I went in yesterday and they said, oh no, we can't get 27-inch wheels anymore, because that's how old the fucking bike is. So they're getting a 28-inch wheel and they're putting it on the back. And I'm sure it'll work, but everyone I've spoken to says it'll probably mess up the balance a little bit and everything. So I'll try it, but I think I'll ring them and get them to order 2 28-inch wheels, assuming they fit the bike. But I'm not adverse to buying a new one. Could, but we'll see. So that's that. I am kind of rambling. It's been a very much kind of a random week or two, so it's been interesting to try and surmise it all. But I'll make another talkie vlog in a couple of days or so. Get some footage when I'm in Howth. Might venture into town for Patrick's Day. Let's see. It's going to be awfully hard to get around the city. But yeah, no, we'll see what happens. Ooh, another thing, I renewed my climbing license in Trinity College. So, kind of pointless information for you there, but turned up and it was like, oh, we have to renew all the licenses. I was like, shit, another test. I haven't studied. So I went from my bottom roping license to my lead climbing license, but I was just kind of like, right, must do this professionally. So I was belaying the guy when he was lead climbing, and then it was my turn. So every time it's just like, okay, slack, click. Should I climb it here, or go to the next one, or slack, click. But I know it's good crack. That's another thing I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get more climbing experience in. I've got my Learn to Lead Climb course at the end of April, so I'll make a video of that as well. But anyway, enough of my ranting and rambling and all that nonsense and crap. Gur míle maith agat for listening to me. Agus slán go fóill.